Your forecast from Fox 56 News, the weather authority.
Good Monday morning, everyone. We are tracking a warm front lifting north ahead of a big storm system coming out of the plains to the Midwest there. This is going to be bringing us much needed rainfall to the state. Finally, a widespread chance that comes in overnight into Tuesday morning very early. But out ahead of that, though, some widely scattered showers and storms here just behind or near the warm front. Most of those are going to head to the north with the front, but a few of these showers or storms could hold together and work into our neck of the woods after lunchtime. Most of the daytime hours, though, dry, partly to mostly cloudy, and we'll warm those temperatures up later on. We'll talk about how warm in a moment. But right now, a little cool early on into the 50s, some 60s on the south side of the warm front. Warmer air coming north, so some low 60s there. Monticello, Williamsburg to Campbellsville. Clouds, though, that are moving in with the warm front here pretty thick right now. A mostly cloudy start. But even though it's mostly cloudy, still getting some sunshine through those clouds. They're high level, so they're thinner, and we're getting a little filtered sunshine at the moment. Now, a good part of the day is going to feature clouds, but at times clouds thin out a little bit more, other times get a little bit thicker. Back to the west, you can see the brighter white tops here, the brighter white clouds. That's a little bit thicker cloud cover, so that will keep moving easterly as the day wears on. And with the clouds overhead, that likely keeps us a little cooler, like upper 70s to around 80. Out in eastern Kentucky has a better chance to go above 80 degrees, and there's that small isolated shower chance into the afternoon and even early evening. Now we get late tonight and see how intense those storms are to our west ahead of that front back at the 8-9 o'clock hour across Illinois and Indiana. But as they move east, you notice how the line becomes a little less defined. The definition goes down, meaning that the storms will be getting weaker as they approach our area tonight. And look, even as they keep moving deeper into eastern Kentucky, into the overnight and early tomorrow morning, they get even weaker. I still think this is mainly some gusty winds and some much needed rainfall. Yes, we could see a stronger severe storm, and I'll highlight who in our viewing area in just a moment has the best chance for that. But then another round of some storms could come in here Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. So a couple of rounds of some rain. Storm Prediction Center, the one that issues the severe weather outlooks, they have a level 1 risk, the lowest on the scale for most of our viewing area. Basically from Lexington westward, a level 2. Because remember, storms are strongest out in Illinois. Then as the night wears on, we start losing heating, we start losing energy from the sun, and that's why the risk level drops as we keep going east. If we see severe weather in our neck of the woods late tonight, so nearing midnight or after, the main severe threat would be damaging wind gusts. No, you can't ever rule out a spin-up tornado with a line of storms like that, but that risk is very, very low. Heavier rain is going to be a possibility too, and because the ground is so dry with heavy rainfall like this, the rain could run off more easily and not soak up into the ground, so some localized flash flooding could happen, but we'll take the rain because we need every bit of it. Remember that next chance Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. The second half of the week, though, we're going backwards here. We're looking at temperatures in the 60s for highs, which is, to be honest, closer to seasonal levels. Mealtime Monday Taste Test is next.